Hello YouTube friends, welcome to another episode of Get Smart. So this video is about a question which is asked by so many people, that what is the quickest way to win a game of chess? Now everybody's ideas of game of chess that it is a very long, strategic, thought out game. But surprisingly enough, there is a way to win a game of chess in only two moves. Now, when we are looking at the two moves checkmate, or also known as fool's mate, it's going to take a sequence of bad moves by the opponent to fall into this trap of only two moves. Now, interestingly enough, the two moves checkmate is going to occur on the black side, checkmating white in two moves. So white is going to open up and play a move f4. As we can notice that the position by the white moving his pawn to f4, they have opened up their king diagonal, exposing the king and creating a weakness. Black can simply open up and make a space for the queen and the bishop. And this is the black's first move. White make their second move, further opening up the king's diagonal and allowing black to make their second move, which is to bring the queen along the diagonal to h4 and checking the king. Now, in chess, when we are in check, we look for three ways to get out of check. It's either to move the king to block the check or to capture the checking piece. In this position, the king has no safe square to move. There are no pieces that can interpose or block the queen from checking the king, and there are actually no piece that can capture the checking piece or capture the queen. So what has happened is black has checkmated the white in two moves, and just to once again show you, white opens up making the move f4, opening the king's diagonal. Black plays the pawn up, opening up the queen to make a direct threat on white's king. White plays g4 and black responded by bringing a queen out and making a direct threat to the white's king, and leaving white with no option to run, block or capture, and ending the game in only two moves. So that's it for today. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share or comment. I will see you in another episode of Get Smart. Till then, take care. Peace.